In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation from a topic in Gamma AI, step by step, so you can turn a simple idea into a polished slide deck in just a few minutes. This is a great workflow if you need to make a class presentation, a business pitch, a training deck, or even a quick visual summary without starting from a blank canvas. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the site loads, sign into your account. If you're new to Gamma, you may need to create an account first, but the process is very quick. After you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where Gamma gives you different options for creating new content. Now click Create New. This is where you begin a new project in Gamma. From the creation options, choose Presentation. Gamma is built to help you make more than just documents, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on presentation since that's the best format for turning a topic into a structured slide deck. Next, Gamma will ask how you want to start. Choose the option to start from a prompt or topic. This is the key step because instead of manually building every slide yourself, you're letting Gamma use your topic as the foundation for the full presentation. This is what makes the process so fast and beginner-friendly. Now, type in a clear topic. For example, you could enter something like healthy study habits for students. The more specific your topic is, the better your outline and final slides will be. If you're too vague, Gamma may generate something generic, so try to be as clear as possible about what you want the presentation to cover. Once your topic is entered, click Generate Outline or Continue if that's the button shown on your screen. Gamma will now analyze your topic and build a presentation structure for you. This usually includes a title slide, section headings, and supporting points that match your topic. Give it a moment to generate the outline. When the outline appears, take a close look at it. This is your chance to review the flow of the presentation before the slides are created. Make sure the topics are in the right order, the sections make sense, and the content matches your goal. If something feels off, you can edit the outline directly. You might want to rename a section, remove a point, or add a new idea to make the presentation stronger and more focused. This part is important because a good outline is the foundation of a good presentation. If you spend a minute or two improving the structure now, your final slides will look much better later. After you're happy with the outline, choose a theme. Gamma usually gives you several design styles to pick from, and this is where you decide the look and feel of your presentation. You can select a clean professional theme, a modern creative layout, or something more colorful depending on your audience. If you're making a school project, you might want something simple and easy to read. If you're making a pitch deck, you may want a more polished business style. Once your theme is selected, click Generate the Presentation. Gamma will now build the full slide deck for you automatically. It will turn your topic and outline into a ready-to-edit presentation, complete with layout, visuals, and formatted content. This is where Gamma AI really saves time, because what used to take hours can now be done in just a few clicks. After the presentation is generated, go through each slide and review it carefully. You can edit the text, refine the wording, change the images, and adjust the design so it fits your needs. Gamma gives you a strong starting point, but you should always personalize the final result to match your message and your audience. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a presentation from a topic in Gamma AI. Just sign in, start a new presentation, choose the prompt or topic option, enter your idea, generate the outline, review it, pick a theme, and let Gamma create the full deck for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials on AI tools, productivity apps, and software shortcuts that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.